What's going on, guys? It's Felicia here from Valuable Referral, and all I do on this channel is simply refer value to the entrepreneur to help them win. And today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ways you can make between $5 to $1,000 a week on Amazon. And I call it the Amazon because basically everything is on Amazon. Most of the time, a lot of us are consumers. I'm a consumer on Amazon on a monthly basis. I'm pretty sure you purchased a lot of stuff on things on Amazon. And who doesn't like or love Amazon? Amazon is like the new Walmart. You know what I mean? So I'm going to be sharing tips with you that not a lot of people know about on how to make money with Amazon. There's plenty of ways to make money on Amazon, but these tips are actually pretty kind of in the hush hush is what I'm saying. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell, and get these tips to help you on your entrepreneurial journey. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Alright guys, number 5 would be Amazon Flex. Now I know a lot of you guys heard of Amazon Flex, but here's why Amazon Flex is such a beautiful thing, because you can actually make up your own schedule, and it's starting off as $18 to $25 an hour. That's a pretty good start off, especially when you guys are coming from or out of a 9-to-5 job. The best thing that you want to have is your freedom. So being your own boss is a big thing. Set your own schedule. You can get started right away. See if Amazon is in your local area, and kind of work where you want to work. The packages, all you have to do is just have a driver's license. For Amazon Flex, as many days as you want. So if you wanted to be a workaholic in a sense, but just have your own set schedule of what times you want to work, you can do it seven days a week. And you just look it up and see if it's actually in your local area, and you just work with Amazon as a partner, which is great. That's one of the great things to do with Amazon Flex, to actually start you off. And if you wanted to work 5, 6, or 7 days, you put in the work, and actually you can make serious cash with Amazon Flex.
Number 4, you guys gotta admit, everybody knows Amazon is just huge, and because they're so big, they need a lot of customer service reps, and these are work from home jobs. You're dealing with the volume of what Amazon is dealing with on a regular basis, so think about it, guys. This is like job freedom. You work in a job, starts off with between $12 an hour and more, with benefits. I'm pretty sure some of those positions have benefits, and you're getting paid from home, like dealing with the volume of people, packages, the delivery service, the support team. So this is a great way to actually make money from home. You got to remember how many jobs Amazon actually hires for, how many people they need, because this is a worldwide business. Amazon is bigger than Walmart. I just have to say that. Walmart is huge and is across the globe, but not like Amazon. You know what I mean? The accessibility of not leaving your home and ordering stuff online is tremendous. So you also need people to handle the customer service volume. So that's number 4. Number 3, building an affiliate site. Guys, all you have to do is just build a site of different products or different services that Amazon has, and you just recommend them to your audience. WordPress is a big one. ClickFunnels, I love it, where you can actually, where you're serving, you're already serving as an entrepreneur your customers anyway. And building your own site with Amazon products is another way you can actually make between 4 to 10%. And I know you're thinking like, okay, well, that's not a whole lot of money. But if you have a very, very active audience, or a very large audience, and sometimes we feel like, okay, well, I don't have a huge, humongous million follower audience. You don't need to. All you have to do is be very, very valuable to your customers, to your audience, I should say. And they will engage with you if you engage with them. So you really don't need a whole lot to actually make money on Amazon with an affiliate site. You create a site, you just recommend stuff. Guys, we do this all the time. We might watch a movie or, go out to dinner and say, hey, check out this place. They have great pasta. They have great zucchini. They have great burgers. They have great fries. And we recommend stuff all the time, guys. Now it's your time to get paid for it. And Amazon is the biggest affiliate site there is, because if you think about it, most products that you're buying from Amazon is not really from Amazon. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's from different people who actually make products, different products and services that comes across this site. And Amazon just takes a chunk of it. So now it's your turn to get a piece of the pie with an affiliate site. Number 2, the influencer Amazon site. And what that means is kind of goes with the affiliate site, is if you have any type of following, whether it's on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Snapchat, Instagram. If you have a following, Amazon has a site just for you, meaning that you can actually, because you have a following, you can recommend just products, products that you obviously I personally would try it and test it before I recommend anything to my audience, because I just want to make sure that they're not getting, anything that will just disserve them. So if you have anything that you actually tried out yourself, tested out, you just recommend it. And Amazon, if you send them the link to your particular influencer site, and you just get commission off of it. Guys, it's affiliate marketing 101. We do it all the time. So don't think it's like this big thing that we can't do, especially if we actually are recommending stuff on a regular basis. And number 1. Get my little numbers mixed up. But number 1 will be ebook, Kindle. And a lot of people say, hey, well, I'm not a writer. You don't have to be. Like, a lot of things nowadays are not that complex. Back in the 80s and the 90s, those was when the authors were actually, sitting down and writing 100 to 500 pages, and it took them about 5 years to actually produce something. But not today, guys. You can do this. Self-publishing Kindle books, meaning that you don't necessarily have to do all the heavy lifting. So that means you get with those who actually like to write. And not just like to write well, because there's a lot of crappy books out there. Let's just be honest. So you get with somebody who likes to write. You say, listen, I have this great idea about health, about fiction, about sci-fi, whatever it is that you're into. And what you do is you have them, you guys just create ideas. And as you're creating ideas, you actually are paying them to actually do what they do best. It sounds like, well, you didn't write the book. Well, at the same time, authors today get a lot of information from other people who had information before. So it's like, why not just get paid off of it? You know what I mean? And I'm not trying to sound like a sleazeball or anything like that, but I'm trying to tell you that self-publishing on Kindle, which is, a lot of people don't want to carry physical books anyway. It weighs down your bag. So something you could just read on your phone or a tablet or a laptop is great. And you actually get paid from it. Now, there's some things that go into it, but the basis of it is that we have a lot of readers nowadays. And people are into the new thing, the new book. So you can just go on places like Fiverr and get a ghostwriter. You can go places like Upwork, a freelancer, and you can actually pick them based on the reviews, based on the experience, and a lot of things that you can go into play with to actually pick a good writer. And you just jones on what you actually want them to say in your book. I do believe that you still should have some type of personality in it, but they're just creating it for you. They're doing the heavy lifting. And then you have a proofreader, and then you package it up. And the more published books you put out there, the more people will actually find you through the algorithm of Amazon, and you start to get paid for self-publishing a book. Now, if that doesn't sound cool, I don't know what does. This is some amazing stuff right here. So a lot of people don't know that, because a lot of people are just saying FBA, and FBA is great, believe me, or just the basic e-commerce, believe me, I know that's great, but some people don't make their own products. And that's where the influencer site comes to play. That's where the affiliate site comes to play. And so many things that you can actually do around the e-commerce and the FBA that can make money for you. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did get anything out of it, any type of value out of it, hit that like, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, and be in the know on the know. You want to know why I make these videos? Because you are worth it. See you guys soon.